Hi, I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com. Let us turn your circular saw into the ultimate cutting machine with our performance QSaw blades. Our 8-inch fine finish blade is an ideal choice for carpenters, framers, and anyone looking for a premier finish, leaving a smooth surface that requires little to no sanding. It's ideal for cross-cutting and fast efficient rips in oak, pine, melamine, plywood, and molding. Its 60 ATB grind, premium grade carbide teeth allow it to slice through a variety of materials, delivering crisp, smooth edges with less heat buildup. It also features industrial brazing that creates an extra durable bond between the teeth and body of the blade. Our QSaw blades cut straighter because they have laser cut bodies rather than stamped, which results in less distortion, delivering a truer square blade. Finally, its standard 5/8 arbor makes it an ideal for most portable circular saw machines. Sawblade.com has an extensive line of sawing products, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, Q-lit, and replacement parts. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.